TikTok is a golden goose. I've worked on multiple platforms before, but I've never come across one like TikTok where you can build an audience and monetize it so fast. If you follow the correct blueprint and strategy, you can reach 100k followers within a few weeks. I've done it multiple times and I taught my friends and family how to do it. Even my brother grew and sold TikTok pages at the age of 14. In this video I'll show you what really works on TikTok and how does it work so you can achieve these results too. And make sure you watch all the way through because in the end I'll share with you a monetization strategy that will be worth your time. So let's go. But first of all, we need to understand how the TikTok algorithm actually works. I know you might be excited about the money making part, but without understanding the algorithm you will end up wasting a lot of time. And we don't want that to happen. There is a specific order we have to follow so that all this will work. Forgot about this one. Knowing how to market your content is way more important than the content itself. I've seen countless creators spamming out a ton of content with great information, but the delivery and the way they market themselves sucks. It's better to have average content but to market yourself and your content in a great way. So what does TikTok like the most? Money, right? And the way they make money is by placing ads on their platform. And the more ads people watch, the more money they make. And in order for that to happen, people have to stay on the app as long as possible. So the number one thing that TikTok cares about the most is keeping the viewers on their platform. Which means that we should be focusing most of our energy on watch time. But I'm not talking about the percentage. I'll explain in a little bit, so make sure you stick around. So the great thing about TikTok is that there is no limit on how many views your videos might get, even if you have a brand new page. You might be wondering, well, how does that work? Basically, TikTok's algorithm is a video game. Imagine that the first 100 views you get on a video is level 1 of that video game, and the video is the character of that game. It has some specific stats, and if it is strong enough for that level, it's gonna pass it. And guess which is the most important stat? Exactly, watch time. So then it moves to level 2, if it's strong enough, it passes it, and then it moves to level 3, and so on until it finally slows down. And like we said, the good thing is that there is no limit. So how to get that precious watch time? Well, like I said, we should focus on the actual watch time and not the percentage. There are a ton of videos I've seen where people tell you that the percentage of the video viewed is the most important thing, meaning the higher percentage watch time you get on a video, the more likely it's gonna go viral, which is true, but not really. If your videos are, for example, 10 seconds long, the percentage will be more important. But why is that? Because if your video gets 200%, for example, so each viewer watches it twice, it means that you got 20 seconds of watch time instead of 10, right? But if you make a 50-second long video and they watch only 50% of the video, you get 25 seconds. But still, I've managed to go viral with exactly that stat, and it's my most viral video of all time. But every time I was making shorter videos, which would be around 15 to 20 seconds, only just a handful of them would perform actually pretty good. And lately the algorithm has been pushing more and more longer videos. They created a feature for 3-minute videos and then 10-minute videos. And also, if your videos are at least 60 seconds long, you are gonna get paid more by the creator fund. TikTok loves longer videos, and why is that? Because like we said, TikTok wants people to stay on the platform as long as possible. The hard part about it is to keep your viewers' attention as long as possible, but with a few editing tricks this can be possible. And don't get me wrong, you can still go viral with shorter videos. I'm just here to share with you from my experience. We have tested and believe that longer videos tend to perform better. All the evidence is here, but you should try it for yourself. Maybe it's not for your type of content, maybe it's not for your page, and maybe the algorithm prefers you to make shorter videos. Never follow blindly anyone. So now that some of your videos started getting views and more traction, and you're building a baseline of views, you should keep snowballing. What I'll tell you right now is one of the biggest mistakes that creators make, and that is not snowballing. Look at which videos perform the best. Now you should take these videos and create more similar videos around this topic, create a series about the topic, and keep pushing that snowball until it gets so large that you grow a huge audience. This is how I grew every single one of my pages. Every time we saw a video that was performing great or better than average, we would take that opportunity, make another video, make something similar, and create a bunch of videos that are around that topic or that single video. It's crazy how fast you can start getting views and then get even more views on the next videos, and then the TikTok algorithm picks you up, and the algorithm really likes to push forward accounts that already get views. So it doesn't matter how many followers you have. Since one video got attention, another one will get, and another one will get, that chain will continue, and you should keep building on that. Many creators jump around, do not take advantage of that, and it's the biggest mistake I've seen. Well, that takes us to sticking to your niche. Not sticking to your niche is another similar mistake I've seen. You cannot create a video about fitness, then well-being, then money, and then gaming. It's impossible to grow that way. You can have viral videos with this method, but you will not build a sustainable and monetizable audience. The algorithm will be confused and will not know which audience you're targeting. So make sure you stick to specific niche, follow creators in that niche, so this way you give more information to the algorithm, and engage with content that is in your niche, and copy link, of course, which also works. And whenever you upload, use hashtags that are in your niche. You basically feed all this information about your target audience to the algorithm, and not only you help it promote your videos to the right audience, but you also help it to promote the videos to more and more people. You might be thinking, what is the most profitable niche? Well, if you ask me, I'll tell you the niche of one, meaning that the most profitable niche is you. I've observed that the most successful creators in terms of money are the ones that possess a distinctiveness that sets them apart. I can't really dive in depth in this specific topic in this video, it literally can take me hours. That leads us to growth over money. In the beginning, it's really important to build an audience, the correct audience, and focus only on that. It might be exciting trying to make money from the get-go with 0 followers, but first of all you have to focus on building the correct audience and building trust and bonding with that audience. You can't really go out there and make 10 videos, some strangers watch them and they're gonna buy from you. It's not really how it works. And if you want digital product ideas for any niche, I put together 50 plus free product ideas with explanations and examples for many of the products I have in there, and you also join my email list where I will be sharing valuable stuff in the future. So after working all these years in the creator economy and working with multiple creators as well, I found out that the most successful way to monetize your page is by digital products / affiliate marketing. So why do you put these two together? Well, I obviously prefer digital products the most. I might be biased. I put affiliate marketing here as well because they are kinda similar. With affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own product. You can go to ClickBank or Impact.com, which are the two I use the most, find a service or product you want to promote that is in your niche, and you just get the link and promote it. It's similar and it's easier, so I thought that I should include that as well, because I've been successful with that method too. But basically the steps are finding your niche, the niche of one, start growing your page and building an audience, offer freebies along the way, which I really love, and with it you build an email list where you will offer valuable emails for free with tips, tricks, news, case studies, whatever it is that you can offer. This way you build trust with the audience, you're bonding together, you offer all this stuff for free, they love it, so you're bonding. And then you build the paid digital product, or you start with affiliate products. I really can't go that deep, but if you do follow this formula, you will make money on TikTok, because it is a gold mine. But if you really want to know more about it and more about the niche of one and the creator economy, have a guide if you want to check. Shameless plug, but I'm sponsoring my video. It took me weeks, a lot of hours and research and putting all these things together, and you would be helping my channel as well. So now that you've watched this video, make sure you watch this video next, which is an in-depth video about the TikTok algorithm. See you over there.